Hello, what's up everyone? Mars here, and today we have the brand new 2022 Taos SEL. It is a compact SUV that it is 9.3 inches shorter than the Tiguan, and it is the top trim level. I'm super excited to show you this car. Let's go ahead and start the video. Before we start the video though, I just want to give you guys a shout out for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the like button and subscribe to support me build this YouTube channel. Let's go ahead and start the video. And here is the Taos, ladies and gentlemen. It looks really cool from the front. It looks so super aggressive, and because it is the SEL trim level, it have this really special day running lights and LED headlights, and it has the line in the middle here that is also LED light. It's absolutely amazing. Let me get it up close. Here is what I'm talking about. I just love that headlight. This actually is on, and it's gonna be more obvious at night. Blacked out grille, glossy black over here, and this little design here in the corner for the vents. So it definitely looks really sporty in the front, and it has the IQ lights. It looks like an Atlas that has been shrunk to a smaller size. This is a compact SUV SEL top trim level. It looks really sick in the front, and you have those rims though. Look at the rims. It's a 20-inch rims. This one is specifically for the SEL. This is how it looks from the side. It looks really cool, really amazing. It's a 9.3 inches shorter than the Tiguan. It has 1.5 liter four-cylinder engine that produces up to 158 horsepower. Gas efficiency is amazing in this car. 28 combined. It'll do 32 freeway and 25 city. Price is gonna go to $36,434. That is the MSRP. Some dealerships put a markup on it. We don't here at Volkswagen Boardwalk. We'll sell it at MSRP. But look at this. This is how it looks from the back. I love those tail lights. LED tail lights. It looks really cool. Volkswagen logo, 4Motion over here, and it says SEL here, and the Taos is just in the middle. Pretty nice. Backup sensors, fake exhaust tips, but other than that, it looks really sick. I love how this car looks. Yeah, this car looks absolutely amazing. And let's go ahead and take it to the inside. Let's open it up and see the space. Yeah, of course, this is gonna be the SEL, but still really manual from the back. There's no buttons or hands-free opening kick or something like that. It's just very basic. And this is the space, guys. An okay amount of space, honestly. You got your tire equipments. Ouch. Tire equipments with the extra tire. And it comes with roadside assist kit. And this is the back organizer, and of course you can lower the seats for more space if you want. Let me show you. And there you go. You got extra space. With the seat down, actually you have a really good amount of space. And you gotta close it manually. And let's go to the back. Inside of the car, since it is the SEL trim level, is gonna be real leather over here all the way down. The seats are really comfortable. They look really nice with this white stitching around them. You got a rubber mat, and of course soft touch over here. And let's go. Good amount of leg room, I'll say. Pockets. The headroom is really good. Plus you have all of this panoramic sunroof and a low bug. Cup holders, and of course you can get that middle seat down if you have an extra thing you want to put in the middle. You have air vents in the back with one USB-C charger, and a really comfortable and really nice real leather seats. That is something really rare to see on a Taos. The SE is gonna come with leatherette, and you have the S, which is the base level, is gonna come with all cloth. no sunroof. This is the main differences, and let's go ahead and see it from the front. Here we are going to the inside. So on a driver door, same thing, white stitching over here, light interior color with black, really soft touch in here. Mirror controls and window controls, little space maybe to put your key, and then you can open the gas tank from here. Rubbery mat, and this really nice and comfortable leather seats. Driver's seat of course is powered, but everything else is going to be manual. And here we are. So this being a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder turbo engine, the gas mileage is going to be really great, and it is a 4Motion right over here. You have a cool digital cockpit that changes colors, whether you choose different modes. For example, sport, it changes to red. When the digital cockpit is red color on sport mode, everything in the infotainment system is going to be red. You have your cruise control buttons over here. It has a keep lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and this is your menu buttons, plus a heated steering wheel. Believe it or not, guys, the Taos has a heated steering wheel and heated and ventilated seats. That is the top trim level SEL, guys. It has to be fancy. It's really nice and comfortable, I have to say that. The screen is really cool, it works really great, it's fast. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly connecting. Of course, you have the wireless charger over here, and this is gonna be your climate control, heated steering wheel, and heated and ventilated seats for the driver and the passenger. And drive mode, they're just like any other Volkswagen car. You're gonna have off-road auto, off-road custom, and you're gonna have the selecting mode sport, eco, or normal, and of course you're gonna have your snow mode. And yeah, the space in here is amazing. You have a little storage over here to put your snacks. Not a big space in here, honestly. 2 USB-C chargers and one 12V charger with a wireless charger in here. That's pretty cool. The space in this car is great. It fits 5 people, no more than 5 people. It's not too big, it's not too small. It is a lot more smaller than the Tiguan. So if you're looking for a compact SUV, a good gas efficiency, the Tiguan is a 2.0 liter. This one is only 1.5. So that's one thing, and it is 9.3 inches shorter than the Tiguan. But with all the seats down, it has the same cargo area as the Tiguan. So if you need more storage, all you gotta do is put the seats down. That's it. Since this was the top trim level, so you have real leather, the heated and ventilated seats with the heated steering wheel, and it has the IQ drive, so front assist, back assist, adaptive cruise control, and emergency braking, and keep lane assist, if I mentioned that before. So it has all the safety controls.